Alright, so what we're going to try to do is we're going to dissect these queen cells that that I grafted last week that didn't hatch out for some reason. They very clearly have royal jelly up in the top here, both of them. If we candle them, which will be hard to show you candling on the camera, but there's no movement going on in there in that cell, so we're going to try to pull it apart and see exactly what killed her. And I've got the little microscope over here, and try to get this. You can see it's very close there. See if I can move some of this stuff real quick and see what we got here. There we go. There's the cell. It's very, very close to it. Both sides. I don't see. I'm looking for like any sting marks or anything like that, because I didn't see. But the reason my grafts this last time were unsuccessful were because turns out I found a queen in the box today, but she was a newer queen, so that could have been part of it. So we're gonna break this cell off of this cup. Try to see if I can. I don't think there's a way I can lift this up and keep the focal point that I need. Let's see. There's the cup. You can see there's royal jelly in there. And bring it up, brings it in very close, right? There's royal jelly in there. And I don't see, I'm not seeing anything. So what if I bring this down? Let's try to zoom it once it's down. See if that clears it up. Zooming it don't clarify it any. So, I don't know. We'll have to see. See if I can pull that very gently. It's not going to. They did a good job with the cell. Alright, so what do we got? We have, in the cup, we'll look in the cup here first. See if I can. Is that better? So in the cup, royal jelly. Is that larva? Looks like just jelly to me. Just jelly. Let's see what's in the cell. Oh, queen larva down in there. So what does that mean? I'm trying to get where you guys can see it better. Hold on. Is that better? So definitely a larva down in the cell. See if we can get her out of the peanut here. I can always use my grafting tool, right? Let's use the grafting tool. And she is slimy. Hold on, I don't want to get that on my table. Let me get a piece of paper. We're going to get a piece of paper here, put it down. And That is kind of slimy down there. And there she is. Alright, let's see. There she is. So, we notice pretty quick here. There is a black dot right there. So she very clearly stopped maturing at some point. And that's it. She never developed, guys. First one never developed. I'm imagining we'll find the same thing on the next one. So that's what we got on the first one. Just a ball of goo right there. Let's see what we got on the second cell here. And we'll do the same thing on the paper here. Break. Again, this one was full of royal jelly as well. So I'm imagining we're going to see very similar. You see it's like black near the end down there. Trying to break this off of here gently. And what do we have? Alright, again, a cup full of royal jelly. And this one, is it putrid? Look at that. That's nasty. Nasty. So, what is that? What happened? I'm thinking, judging by where she's at in the cup, maybe I was too rough with her, and the larva, either when I was adding her to the cup or not, or adding her to my incubator or something, I imagine that larva fell down out of the royal jelly. Let's see if we could pull her out here. See what we can find. It's goo. That's what we find. Bunch of goo down there. So she's pretty nasty. That's it. That's how big she got. There's still down in the cup there, still black nastiness. But let's see, can we find her? Rotten larva. That's what we got. So, either she was stung and killed prior to being put in, or she fell from the top before she got mature. So that's probably me. Obviously, the bees themselves did a great job filling the cup with royal jelly. So they had it ready to go right there. So they did it on both cells, right? We got 2 cells. Both cells are, whoops, sorry. Both cells are pretty full of jelly. So at some point she came dislodged from the jelly, and yeah, so I imagine that's my fault. So both cells looked good. I mean, they were pretty decent sized cells. Either stung or jarred, knocked her loose, or something, but very clearly did not make it. And we'll keep on trying. We'll keep on trying to figure this out. But definitely don't want your queens to come out looking like that, right? It's not the goal. Not the goal at all, guys. So, at any rate, that's the status of my queens. They don't look very good. So, I'm surprised. It must have been something I did in the meanwhile. But at any rate, guys, that's what we got. And we'll figure it out from here on out. So, thanks, and we'll see you next time.